If you are a coffee lover and a fan of creamy desserts, you're going to fall in love with these Tiramisu Overnight Oats. It's like having your favorite Italian dessert for breakfast, but healthier, lighter, and just as satisfying. This easy make-ahead recipe is packed with rich coffee flavor, a chocolatey base, and a luscious creamy topping, which makes it perfect for busy mornings when you want something indulgent but nourishing. Let's get started. First, in a cup or a jar, add 1 cup of rolled or instant oats to soak up all the flavors beautifully. Now add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cacao powder for a deep, rich chocolate flavor just like classic tiramisu. Make sure you're using unsweetened cacao powder for the best balance of flavors. Next, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds for great boost of fiber and healthy fats. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for a sweet, aromatic touch and 2 tablespoons of sweetener of your choice. You can use maple syrup or even a sugar-free option depending on your preference. If your espresso is on the stronger, bitter side, adding a bit more sweetener can help balance it out. Then pour in a double shot of espresso or 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder. Slowly add 1 cup of milk of your choice while mixing everything together. Adding milk slowly helps prevent lumps and ensures everything is evenly combined. You can use dairy milk, almond milk, oat milk, or even coconut milk for a richer flavor. If you're using instant coffee powder, it's best to dissolve it first in a little warm water so that it mixes smoothly with the oats and doesn't leave any clumps. Milk for a richer flavor. Once everything is well mixed, cover the cup and chill for at least 4 hours or even better overnight. The longer it sits, the creamier and more flavorful it gets. When you're ready to serve, it's time for the best part, the topping. In a small bowl, combine half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of sweetener, and a splash of vanilla extract. Mix until smooth and creamy. This topping is a lighter protein-packed twist on the classic mascarpone layer you find in tiramisu, which makes it not only delicious but also more nourishing. For extra creaminess, spoon the sweetened yogurt over the chilled oats. Spread it out evenly like you would frost a cake. Finally, dust generously with unsweetened cacao powder. For an even fancier touch, you can sprinkle a few chocolate shavings or even top it with a couple of coffee beans just like a real tiramisu. Serve chilled and enjoy a breakfast that tastes like dessert but fuels you for the day ahead. And the best part, these tiramisu overnight oats can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 days, which makes it perfect for easy meal prep during busy weeks. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.